Hello everyone, my name is Danish Mushtaq and I'm here with my partner Yinsi Lin. We're going to be talking about digitalization of the supply chain. First of all, what is digital supply chain? When you utilize technologies and process to enable supply chains to make it quicker, more effective and efficient, you are digitalizing supply chain. This helps the business to run more smooth as everything is digitalized and right in front of your eyes. As mentioned, increasing the overall supply chain visibility within the network. This includes digital planning, digital supply, digital manufacturing, and digital logistics. Let's talk about digital planning. This happens through multiple software and database to help create a particular plan for how supply chain can be carried. Digital supply again uses similar tactics to help create how the supply chain is going to take place. This may include emails and tracking numbers generated by software to reach to the customer and manufacturer. Digital manufacturing is an integrated approach to manufacturing that is centered around a computer system, whereas digital logistics refers to the automation and digitalization of process related to the movement of goods. Let's talk about what drives digital transformation. As you know, in this modern world, everything has been based upon technology now. The world today is faster than ever before, and that's what the customers like these days. Speeded up processes for any product or service provided to them. New technologies help that happen. The competition forces all manufacturers to acquire these technologies and continuously improve. Customer wants things to be easier and digitalized. This has allowed that so that they can stay at home and get what they require with just a few clicks away on their smartphones, tablets, or computers. Employees don't have to deal with customers in person. Only labels, barcode readers, and machinery makes their lives easier too and to be able to work faster. Business partners require digitalization so that they can have a look over their businesses globally from anywhere in the world as all records are digitalized and accessible easily at any time. But what enables this to happen? Modern sensors and geolocation technologies help to make it more reliable. People do not need to spend as much time now to keep an eye on something, for example, setting temperature for edible goods, whereas sensors can take care of it and fix it for them. Robotics have reduced the burden on the employees and have made things more easier and quicker. Automated picking and palletizing take place in big industries today, and one of the best examples is Amazon warehouses. As we can see, their delivery time is improving day by day. Automated CKD means complete knockdown product where parts are shipped and assembled at the location where they're needed to be delivered. The big data and database today has made everything much more quicker and easier. Demand and supply network does not have to be measured at every point. The database collection at every point, every second helps that to be a non-stop data gathering technique for future purposes, planning, and future product localization. There are more things that enable this. For example, cloud services, UI and display innovations, and 3D printing. Cloud services help to bring data in one place where everyone can have an input of what they know or what they did, what data they have collected and put in one place, and everyone can pick out what they would like at any point and any time. User interface and display innovations help to profile a customer what they usually get, what things they usually require, where they live. This all helps to bring the data in one place, and then the customer is provided with only the information that they usually require or they usually look for. 3D printing have made things much more quicker. Laser-based production technologies, they help to uh, produce small products such as stationery and toys for kids, and much more important stuff to be created right away within a few minutes.
Digitalization of the supply chain has occurred progressively following increased digitalization and the emergence of modern technologies, some of which from Industry 4.0. Bigladi defines digitalization of the supply chain as the progress toward adopting more innovative models that entail digital technologies. Digitalized supply chains involve enabling and disruptive technologies and replace traditional paper-based and manual data entry approaches with new and advanced methods. Advancement of current market conditions demands all companies embrace digitalized supply chains. The fundamental aspect of the supply chain's digitalization is replacing traditional manual-based ways of doing things with digital and electronic technologies. To digitalize supply chains, companies need to apply the BERT technologies blockchain, the IoT, robotic, process automation, and data science. Digitalization of the supply chain also needs other relevant technologies such as cloud computing, big data, intelligent automation, machine learning, virtual reality and augmented reality, SaaS, and natural language processing. These technologies help automation of processes, supply chain speed, innovation, and advanced analytical and data. The fundamental aspect of the supply chain's digitalization is replacing traditional manual-based ways of doing things with digital and electronic technologies. To digitalize supply chains, companies need to apply the BERT technologies blockchain, the IoT, robotic, process automation, and data science. Digitalization of the supply chain also needs other relevant technologies such as cloud computing, big data, intelligent automation, machine learning, virtual reality and augmented reality, SaaS, and natural language processing. These technologies help automation of processes, supply chain speed, innovation, and advanced analytical and data. Digitalization of the supply chain allows the use of cloud-based platforms that promote multi-enterprise collaboration or cooperation by bridging the gap between brands and external networks. It also eliminates or reduces communication silos across the enterprise, allowing all actors within the supply stream to work together to boost workflow and reduce bottlenecks and disruptions. Again, it removes manual data entry and traditional paper-based and manual processes. Such automation increases workers' productivity, organizational performance, process efficiency, and profitability. It also applies in decision making, such that people make decisions based on accurate data and real time events as they unfold. Besides, due to high precision, traceability, and smooth workflow free from bottlenecks, digitalization of the supply chain reduces waste. It also facilitates tracking of products' expiry dates, thus avoiding waste. In conclusion, the high incorporation of advanced digital and electronic technologies explains why the digitalization of the supply chain has occurred significantly. Businesses are shifting from the traditional way of doing things to modern means. In the process of digitalization of the supply chain, Key trends such as increased use of blockchain technology, 5G network applications, artificial intelligence, and high customization are expected to drive the supply chain. Business processes will be faster, and artificial intelligence will continuously mimic human roles. The digitalization of the supply chain is indisputably essential because it results in increased collaboration, efficiency, automation of decision making, and other processes, and reduce waste, downtime, and errors. Therefore, supply chain actors should continue embracing technologies to digitalize all processes involved in the supply chain.
Thank you for your time, everyone, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you once again.